Welcome to Creative Suit Tutorials YouTube channel. Today we will show you how to use motion blur in your videos. We will open CapCut PC and import a video in it. The video download link is in the description. This is a simple motion video, and we want to enhance it using motion blur feature. First, we will select the video and go to the basic video section. After scrolling down a little we can see the motion blur feature here. We will first enable this option and now we can see a number of options to edit. Now copy these settings to optimize your motion blur settings. Now the processing has been started and it will take some time. Our motion blur processing has been completed. Now let's see the results. We can also play with these values to look for the settings which are best for our videos. Keep this value to 4 times to avoid overblur. Now to make this video more interesting, we will apply a filter to it. We have uploaded these LUTs on our channel. You can check in the community post section of our channel. We can also edit the LUTs to make the video look more cinematic. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, take care.